You are so lucky.
So
Let me on.
So I call him the concussionist because you lost.
So let me on.
Because I'm gonna go make food later.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat food later.
Wow.
I know, pretty impressive.
Yo,
You're so
good.
Max speed. Go max speed on that jump.
This one? This one?
Yeah, max speed. Go all the way back.
Oh!
Yo, what? How?
I'm
How?
cooking!
How'd you actually do that?
Frick you! Oh, lost is stuck. Oh. Join Great Day GC. Oh.
Go.
I don't think.
Is that a deal? Ah.
No,
Yo,
no,
can
like,
I-
hear
can
me
I
out. Hear me
Oh
actually
out.
yeah.
have
Oh.
Boyo.
Mickey Boyo.
You're so
The
cool.
mechanic
Can I have a-
upgraded my cart to golden. Let's
Oh.
go.
Get in.
Ow!
Why?
Oh, why am I
Why?
bouncing? Why am I bouncing?
Oh.
Bro, how do I move
Oh,
faster this game? What the heck?
Hold forward faster. Or
Dude, I'm a
more
mobile.
forward
Train?
faster.
Well,
Yo!
We golden Thomas.
Yo, what about we
Hey,
create
Tato,
Harry
you
Potter,
good?
guys?
Tato, you
I think
good?
I fell, guys.
I'm gonna run into you guys as
Oh,
far
I'm
as I
gonna
can.
die. I'm gonna die.
I'm going full speed
Ow.
the whole way.
Oh!
Hold up,
I see
wait.
the light.
Wait, stay here and wait for me.
Hey, McBoyo, can you
Oh,
fix my
I
cart?
got you.
McBoyo,
No.
McBoyo, can you fix my
What?
cart? I'm at spawn.
Oh,
Here, I'll make an SOS signal. SOS!
No.
SOS!
Oh, lost, lost.
SOS!
dang.
you.
Ow!
Oh,
Yo,
Get out of the
whoa.
way.
Thank you.
Get out of the way.
Oh.
I
Yeah,
got you.
hold up, wait 1 sec.
I got you.
Alright, Rez. Your
yeah!
cart is fixed.
Yeah!
Alright, jump out. No, don't trust Panda! Don't trust Panda! Don't trust
This! Watch this! I'm gonna make this! I'm gonna make
Bro's
this! First
cooked.
try!
The
First
Leo
try! First try!
Okay, I'm gonna actually really try.
Yeah,
swear to God, I was actually
really
I swear to God!
Get in!
I
Get
got
in!
you. Away from me.
Get in! Get in!
Stop! Like you
I
want.
got you.
Grab the
Kiko,
cart.
watch
I'm gonna
out!
die. I'm gonna die.
It's
Watch
not
out.
working. It's
Oh, yeah.
not
Watch
working.
out! Watch out!
On the edge.
Hey guys,
Oh,
I'll
you
save
guys
you.
are
I'll
so
save
cooked!
you.
You guys are so cooked!
Oh, guys, I'll
actually
save
on the edge.
you.
Yo, we're blocking the road.
Yo! Why is my
I'll
car
save
over
you.
here?
Yo, you-
Ah! So if you go down, it might fix. Oh,
you.
no, don't
Oh.
guys, don't trust Panda.
Hi.
Oh! Lost!
If you walk in front of the moving car.
You know what? Next time I see Lost, I'm going full speed and ramming into her.
Oh my god.
Lost will never
This
catch
is mine.
me
This
with
is
me.
my outpost.
I'm sorry, Lost. I'm sorry,
Guys, no one's
Lost.
gonna see this one coming.
I'm sorry, Lost. I didn't mean
It won't. Don't worry.
left.
I never mess up with this.
Sure. Okay.
to say left.
Panda!
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 Okay. Wait.
Womp womp. Bye.
Nobody wants you on.
Womp. Okay.
Nobody wants you
okay.
on his
Beginner's
crazy.
luck.
It's Ben's
The
brother.
fictional crush.
Yeah, I know. Ew. He was a real person.
Oh!
Watch out. I'm a speed bump. You're supposed to go really slow.
Hey! Over the
Oh,
speed
you can't
bump.
move,
Move,
guys-
bro.
You guys got
Down the red
speed
spot.
bump.
Where am I going?
Wait,
Why is the blue one humping the rest?
What?
Panda.
No.
No, let's go.
Oh,
Then
no!
How do I
No!
go
No!
on?
No! No!
Despacito. It's
Panda, let's
Despacito.
go.
No!
What did I do?
How'd you get it in-
Lost. What did I do?
How did you get it in the ground?
No!
Wait,
Yo!
let me
Panda!
hop in.
Panda!
Let me
You
hop in.
seller!
Why do we get divorced?
Pick up driver.
Don't
Wait,
worry.
wait.
Tato!
I got this.
We got this. We got this. We got this.
I don't think
Uh-oh.
we're moving much. I got this.
Oh, why is the car tuning?
Oh,
Oh,
yo,
What?
Lost.
Oh,
wait, Billy.
No,
Billy.
What's going on, bro?
Oh,
Oh,
yo,
my
what-
God.
Oh,
I think I delete somebody.
Guys,
I
let's go.
think you should
Take
delete
my car.
Hurry up,
The car's farting.
I'll help you.
Oh, shit.
Billy,
Lost our own.
you're gonna get flogged.
Oh,
Billy, you got this. Mr.
No,
Billy,
wait,
you
hey, Okay, can I have fun?
Well, of course you're dancing. Of course you're dancing. You love watching people die. You love killing people.
Right, oh, you were standing on it.
Okay, my bad.
Let's do this
Really,
quickly version of
only
Lexi.
playing
With a
Blood
flick of a lever, you can kill me, but you have to admit one thing. You
What?
suck at Thomas Wayne Railway.
Don't lie stupid hard.
No way, bro.
I'm
You
trying
don't
to
know you make more.
I'm a big fan of Scarlet. Oh, but Taylor, this game is fire, right?
No.
Yeah, it is.
With one
Yeah.
flick of a lever, you can kill me, but you have to admit one thing. You suck at Thomas Wayne Railway. Flick
Okay,
of a
maybe that's
lever,
not it.
you can kill me, but
Oi.
you have to admit one thing. You suck at Thomas Wayne Railway.
You will make
Oh.
Thomas a minor game. What? You're literally going in front of me.
Yeah, lost. What's wrong with
Yeah,
you?
lost. With one flick of a lever, you can kill me, but you have to admit one thing. You suck at Thomas Wayne Railway. And you only made it
Oh,
out.
you can't kill me with a
And
flick
you
of a
only made
lever.
it out because you got lucky. Oh, shut up.
Oh,
With
sorry.
one flick of a lever, you could
Bro,
kill
stop.
me.
Stop.
But you have to admit one thing. You suck.
Really, get on. I got you.
Flick of a lever. You can kill me, but you have to admit
I
one
want
thing.
to kill you.
Oh, okay. First one.
Oh,
That's a
No, I
quite
got air rifle. All right.
Was he?
Yeah, no.
Did it really leave?